Is AI video avatar enough to actually book appointments on LinkedIn or in Instagram with your ideal client? The answer is it helps a lot, but actually you can do something way powerful to book appointments, which is just creating content. And in this video, I'm going to explain what I do to create content with AI avatars. I'm a very lazy person, so I don't like to record anything. I don't like to research anything, but I need to have very good content and I need to do it by video. So I'm going to explain you how you can do the same if you don't like to record yourself, if you don't like to actually write something, what are the tools that I use and what is the whole process that I use to put one video of very good quality content on my LinkedIn, on my Instagram per day. Never run out of ideas, always look at my chart at my best. Okay, so if you want to also create content that is going to book that strategy with AI video agent funnel for DMs on LinkedIn or on Instagram, you need to watch this video.
Okay, great. So I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create a post like this. This is a LinkedIn, okay, that I have. I post every day. This post was 2 weeks ago, but actually post every day. You can see here there is the text, very very well done, and also like a video, right? This video is no longer than 1 minute, and I already have almost 500 impressions, which is pretty decent, right? For somebody that is just starting, like also me myself. So
How I book 30 plus meetings a month.
this is just the video that I did. Okay, you can actually go and check it out later. It's 41 seconds, and of course I didn't do any of this, right? So I'm exactly going to show you how actually I can create all this one per day, okay, in let's say maybe 5 minutes without actually thinking anything. So first thing I do is I go to Perplexity. Okay, if you do not know this tool, is actually very good. Difference between this and ChatGPT is that these two actually can search on the internet and give you the latest information, combining with all of the different websites on the internet. So let's say I want to make a post and I don't know what to do. So let's say I'm thinking about, okay, let's do something with AI. I want to do, let's say, the 5 most AI tools in the market by users in 2024, in December 2024, right? So what I do is very easy. I just say, can you find the AI tools with, let's see here, with the most users in December 2024, and I want to put it, can you find 5 AI tools? Okay, by the way, this is free. There is a free and a paid plan. I'm in the free plan. Okay, most of the things I'm going to show you is completely free. Okay, so great. It says here ChatGPT 200 million users, Microsoft Copilot 28. This doesn't seem so right, actually. I think it might be more, but okay, it gives you some numbers. Okay, you can actually even ask, are you sure these are the numbers of users per month of these tools? And then it's yes, it says that it is correct. Okay. Well, I actually wanted to do a ranking. So rank the tools from most users to for most users. Okay, this is a prompt that I'm giving him. 2024 worldwide. Okay. Yes, this seems right now. Okay, so yes, so ChatGPT 100 million users, 2.1 billion monthly visits. Microsoft Copilot 44 million users. Google Gemini, I can even ask what about Canvas. As you can see, it's like ChatGPT, right? But with information from the web. Okay, 130 million. Okay. Put all AI tools. So Okay, so anyway, I just did some prompt here. I just search the information here. Of course, it can take 1 minute. Then that's it, right? This is what I wanted. 180 million users, then 130 million users, then 44 million users, then 27 and then 6. Okay, so this is pretty much what it gives you. And here is also all the sources, right? So with this information, we're going to create a post on LinkedIn and also a video on LinkedIn. And the idea is that it go viral, right? So okay, so let's say that we have now the information that we want. We copy this information, and where do we go? We go to ChatGPT. I have already here LinkedIn Creating Post Assistant. Okay, this is already a prompt that I have here, and I just say, please write a LinkedIn post with this info. I just copy the info. And what I like about actually this information is it has all of the numbers for all of the AI tools, which it's actually pretty good. And you can also even put the sources if you want, as you watch in Perplexity, right? So I gave this to LinkedIn, to ChatGPT, and it already giving me a post, right? Yeah, it's actually pretty good. All of the information here, right? Now, I personally do not like this ChatGPT so much for LinkedIn post. As you can see, I'm using the free version because I'm trying to do everything with the free version at the moment to show you. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to copy this information and use another tool which is completely, let's say, niche to LinkedIn posts, which is called EasyGen. Okay, EasyGen is actually very good. There is a free plan and a paid plan. I'm using right now the free plan, and it helps you write the post specifically for LinkedIn, which is actually great, right? What you do here is just click in create, and then instead of topic suggestions, you click your topic and you post it here. Now, what I do is I don't copy like this, because then it looks like it's already done, right? So what I actually want is EasyGen to become with a better post or out of better structure for the post, right? So what I just do is I just copy here, and then I put it on EasyGen, not as structured as it was on ChatGPT, like in the post structure, but everything together like this. Okay? And with this, I just ask to EasyGen generate post. This is actually very, very good again for LinkedIn. I will say it's one of the best. Okay, and then it makes a completely different post with all of this information. You can actually check it out. It's way better for LinkedIn content, right? So let's see what it says here. 85% of success comes from people skills. Here's how to master them. Blah blah blah. Well, actually, this is the first post. Let's really not worry about this post here. Let's go with the second post here. Top AI tools of 2024 ranked by engagement and popularity. AI continue to dominate the tech landscape. These tools are leading the charge and transforming productivity. Okay, and then it goes. It is a little bit better structured than the post from ChatGPT. Okay, and actually you can generate more versions if you want. But let's say that I'm happy with this version. So what I do is I just copy this. And I can actually even like change here something. For example, top AI tools worldwide of 2024 that you need to know. Something like this, right? AI continues to dominate the tech landscape, and then it goes. Again, I like about this post is they have a lot of numbers here. If you want to actually make it a little bit more like shorter, I will actually not put maybe nothing here. Excited to try in 2025. And maybe I will just like make a few changes here, but you do not have to. This actually is already working very well, right? So I just copy here from here. Let's say if I would actually like to post, right? I just copy here from here. And here I already have a post. Let me just like, if I would just write a post right now, I will just do this, right? It's everything here already. Now, what do I know? What actually I need is a video. So how do I create a video? So I actually copy this, and I go here to ChatGPT, I go to a prompt that I already have, which is video script generation. So I already like train a little bit this ChatGPT to make post script generations under what medium. So I can just say something like here with this information, please make text for a short video of under 1 minute for social media, and then that's it. Okay, and then the idea is that ChatGPT is gonna give me the script that I'm gonna use to generate the video. It says something, AI is dominating 2024 and these tools are leading the charge. Again, I actually like this will be like a post on a video talking about numbers, which a lot of people like, right? So okay, this is great. What will I do is I just copy here. Let's say that actually is going to copy all of this. I can make some changes, and then what do? I just make the video. But I do not have to make the video myself. I can use a platform like HeyGen, for example. Right, you can use Synthesia, which also works very well. But here in HeyGen, I already have my template. So as you can see, I have a lot of videos. I can have up to 88 different avatars. So it gives the impression that I make a new video every day, but actually just select a different avatar. For example, I like this avatar because it is me running on the gym. So it grabs the attention of the person. I just click here on use this template, and I already have here this template, right? So it's pretty good. Now what I do here is I just copy here. Okay, I just copy the text and it's already linked also with 11 Labs. This is the only two tools that I'm paying at the moment actually. Well, I'm also paying other tools, but just to show you, let's say that these are the only tools that I'm paying, right? Which is 11 Labs and HeyGen. HeyGen $29, 11 Labs. This plans from $22, so it's not so expensive. Speed 1.1. Remove the watermark, and I will just, let's say, post about AI tools. Okay, so I can also make change here if I want to, but if I do not actually want to, the only thing that I can say it's let's say I want to actually see how will 11 Labs record this when I'm actually making him make the video, right? So I will just press here play, and I want you guys to also listen for you to see how it is. Let's put play here. Okay, as you can see, this content it's around 50 seconds. Okay, let's see what it says.
AI is dominating 2024 and these tools are leading the charge. 1. ChatGPT, 3.1 billion visits a month, your go-to for text, coding and data analysis. 2. Canva, 841 million visits, the ultimate AI-powered design platform. 3. Microsoft Copilot, 44 million users, streamlines workflows in Microsoft Office.
It actually seems very good. Okay, you're not going to see the video until it's created, but I'm actually okay with the audio. As you can see, I think that even my audio has even more accent than mine, but I can actually regulate that if I want to. Okay. Anyway, so after I am done with this, I just click submit and I just wait and I just select, for example, I'm gonna put here inbound. So these are all the inbound videos that I am creating, right? You can actually also put subtitles if you want to, but that's it. After a while, you can actually wait a couple of hours and the video will be ready. And if you put subtitles, you will have something like this. You submit the video submitted, okay, you just have to wait, right? If you actually put subtitles, you will have something like the first video that I show you here, which is me actually with subtitles, okay? So that's it. I have here all the text that I can just copy and put it here, and also the video that I made here. And again, this you can also use HeyGen to do it very fast, or Synthesia to put subtitles.
How I book,
and it will engage very well. Why this is important? Again, because when you are sending DMs, like I'm sending everyday videos, right? AI videos here, the first thing that person is gonna do is actually look at your LinkedIn, and you have to have a strong presence on LinkedIn with a lot of videos so people know what you're talking about. So yeah, this is how is the process. It's first Perplexity, then it is ChatGPT. Then after ChatGPT, I go to EasyGen extension. From EasyGen, after EasyGen, I go back to ChatGPT to create the scripts. After creating the scripts, I go to HeyGen to just pretty much make the videos, and after that, I just upload everything on LinkedIn. So I hope it helps. You guys should do this if you actually want to book a lot of appointments. Hope this video helps. By the way, if you want to know more how I can help businesses or how I'm actually helping a lot of businesses booking appointments with AI video agents, there is a link in the description of the video. You can just go ahead and click it, and I will be more than happy to talk to you. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.